Ako, hindi ako magko-quiet. Okay lang ah.
Opo.
Yes!
So, ano na, black. So,
Yeah.
guys, we are doing... Wait, I did a different... I want the funny world, yung teeny world.
No, I don't like that.
I want it.
Wala na, I delete. Oh,
Ako meron pa.
wala na. Because it's only my world and I delete it.
Yung world natin, yung
Yep.
funny.
Funny to the world.
So, guys,
It's so fun.
so I have my new character. Bunso, ito ba yung sobrang cool? Sobrang tall na to, Bunso?
Yep.
Mami, Bunso. Bunso. Bunso, alam mo, this is Shaya.
Anong lomi?
Bunso, may
Saan babe? Saan
Bunso,
nabibili?
look.
Saan?
Bunso,
Ako.
Bunso, look, AI.
AI yan? It's not an AI.
Look, may kukuin ako. Nag-add ako ng stair sa roof. No down. No down.
Sorry. Hello guys. I am Mishay's Bunso and I'm here to find her. And I found her already. Heyo, heyo. What's up?
Bunso,
What's
you
up?
not drink this potion? It's so delicious. Bunso, wait. Bunso, you not drink this potion? It's delicious.
Sure, give it to me. Oh, I don't like palanan because that's invisibility potion.
Bunso, I'm gonna follow you. Bunso,
No, thank you. Oh, you want to follow me?
yeah. Bunso,
Okay,
what?
I'm gonna go here.
Why do you go there?
Because this is where the Ender Dragon is.
Don't. I will not go there. I will just wait for you here. So. How dare you?
Paraan.
I know.
Hello world.
So, find Moko.
I don't know where you are.
I'm here sa pink house roof. One minute lang ako. Wait. So, follow me.
I don't know where you are.
This is me. I'm following you. This is me in your front. Ito ako. Hello. This is me.
Okay, sure.
Oh, so you can know where I am.
Yep.
I'm holding a sword. So, antay ng emeralds. Dark. So, where you are?
Hi.
So, look at me. Look at my emeralds.
That's not emerald.
What's that?
It's ayan na. That's
So, follow me.
netherite.
Follow me.
Yep, follow me.
No. That's this. So, where's the panda? Where's the panda house? So,
Anong panda?
eto. What's up? Look, I try to build. What's up? I try to build. What's up? Look,
Yeah.
I try to build.
Yan. Saan yan?
Dito sa Panda House.
I'm gonna find it.
Hi, Mark. Bunso, can I see kung ano height ko?
So tall. Nice. Found the house.
Bunso, can I see kung ano?
Tol nga, Baba. Let's not keep on checking it. Huwag na po.
It doesn't look like my ano, my dating size sa ano, yung look like ano ko, yung look like na ano, yung parang yung like snow ano, snow water ano,
Yes, because
princess.
You're tall. That's super tall.
So, look up ka.
Dali. Go down ka, Baba. Lang ha. Huwag ka na ano ng height ha. You're super tall. Come here, Baba. Please stand up. Look, you're so tall ah. Diba?
I'm taller than you. What's so ganun ka muna? What's so,
Sure.
I want that. Can I try it?
Tapos nahihirapan ka dito. Only for pros lang ka.
What, bro?
Yep.
Ako ay noob. Hindi. I cannot do kasi yung ano, yung ganon.
Only a beginner ka lang.
Ha? Bunso? I'm a beginner na. I am na a beginner. Bunso, let's get the ano here. Bunso. Bunso, come ka sa farm mo. Get na natin ito, yung mana, ano, and let's make a bread. Oh my goodness.
Hey, dude.
Mga clips ang ligay ni Hania.
Okay, Bunso.
So, tuwan-tuwa naman siya eh.
Okay, Bunso. Look, I have some seeds. I'm gonna cook it.
Sa Tarosa pala siya nag-a-apart. Doon siya nag-a-apart.
Bunso, stand ka sa akin. Stand sa akin. I'm gonna give you the bread. Tek lang, Mami. I'm gonna give you...
QA din, magkatulad sila. Quality.
Bunso, can you ano yung night? Ang ganda pag may night.
Sa Santa Rosa.
You like pang night or midnight?
Ano midnight? I want midnight first.
Fine.
Just add a lot of lights. Wait. Bunso, stand ka sa akin. Stand ka sa akin. I'm gonna give you a bread. Wait. Here you go. Wait. I need you. Get a bread. So let's add a lot of lights.
Maybe let's explore if there's any. Oh, it's a lot.
So pretty. So, Mommy, no battery, but I want to use headphone. Mommy, but earphone?
Pero walang saksakan. Ano ba? Bluetooth. Hansay nga lang
If
meron. Sabat na akin, nasabi ko naman.
don't worry, I have some dark bread. Bunso, look at my dark bread. Look at my dark bread.
Ano yan? Dark bread ba yun?
Bunso, look at my bow and arrow.
No.
Look at my bow and arrow. Look dito. Look.
I'm gonna make a mini game.
I wanna come. Wait, I'll just stay in your house. I wanna come with you in the mini game.
Patient.
Mommy, where's the earphone?
Doon to, walang earphones.
I want it.
Pero ang strong.
But I want it. Mommy, can you find yung Bluetooth na earphones? Ito, are you doing something?
Yep.
Are you ng new game?
Nope, I'm changing my
What? For what?
para hindi na kita yung back. Para kita na yung hands.
Ano hands?
I'm gonna rejoin.
Yes, yes, yes.
Salak nga, isang ears lang meron eh.
Why isang ear? Mommy.
I don't know.
But I want to.
Eh di suot mo lang. Pero wag lang yung isa.
What? What? Ayos. Hello.
Ay,
Oh,
I really want to a bit. I don't know what. I don't want the earphones na one lang. I said I don't want one na sound. Hmm. I cannot hear it nicely.
tanggalin mo na lang, tapos taasan mo ng volume. Like, so, I love you.
Gento, sobra. Look, gento, look. Gento. Wait. Gento.
Yeah.
Where are you? Bakit patingin yung sa'yo?
ano yan, ma?
Bakit patingin yung sa'yo?
Kaya, Pip.
Gento.
Ayun na.
Ano yung, ayan na.
Pip, napala.
Ano bang titikman mo?
Para kanina. Ay, kuya.
No. No.
Mami, ang kulit to. Look at the thing lang ito.
Yes.
Why are you so cute?
Oh,
I'm not cute. I want to get this sa'yo.
ay, oh, yung nilalaro mo, oh. Tatakbo yung video. Hi.
I know. Baba, where is your bow and arrow? Pwede mo tumingin dito.
Where do you, ano, where do you search this?
Okay.
But that's really easy.
Wait lang, brother. I'm gonna fix it pa. Don't shoot it.
I need a light.
Come here, brother.
Wait.
Brother, look at this. You know, may fireworks. Pag na-shoot mo, pak mo. Ooh, the egg. Ano may ka?
But today I'm doing sand.
Good in the world. Kay nagsawa na ako.
This redstone. Wait, wait. Not this from the base.
Ano yung sabi mong gagawin mo, Baba? Yung yellow slime at green slime.
Mamaya yun.
Mm, Ayun.
Hey, how did you?
Oh, it's an accident.
Move out. Hey. Okay. Good. What's that sound? Yung scary sounds.
Okay.
You're not sure, Bunso?
What are you doing, Baba? Ito aking mapag Bye from
What is
maaari mo.
Sabagay, ba't sabagay, ba't ako magtataka wala na akong pera naman.
Mami? Mami, pag ako ng cards, can I use it again?
Basta after mag-stay, basta wala.
What? I saw it! But I have ano. Also, I have black. Meron ako black bow and arrow. Ano color sa'yo?
Pero,
Patingin. Dapat meron ka bubble.
okay.
Gusto ko white na may bubble. Wait, what? What? Why did I...
Eh,
Red? Can I see the... Oh, no. Oh, red. Got the red. How do you do that? So, dito nalabas ba yung firework?
Yep.
Dito, kaya may butas. So, I go inside dito.
Okay.
Shoot it habang nandiyan ako.
Meron pa rin.
Ang ganda pag night.
Sure,
We have to have a party at night.
sure.
Mag-date ka ng party. Bunso, ikaw mag-build ng party.
I don't want to build anything. Ikaw mag-build ng park.
I cannot do it by myself.
Come on.
What are you doing to my... Wait, upside down house? Bunso, ako nag-add ng ladder. And ako nag-design din. Ha? Where are you, Bunso?
I'm just here.
Where?
Right here.
Hiding?
Nope. Just looking at the block.
But I cannot see you.
I can see you nga.
But I cannot see you. But where you can see me? Don't hide from me.
I'm not hiding. I can see you. Diba yun? Kasi may screen naman eh.
I'm not almost close. Kapag siguro naman help me to find Bunso.
Sige na.
Okay. So, come open the chest. Meron ako something sa side ko.
I'm gonna rest na lang. First, first,
But look at something in the chest. At kanyang chest.
may carpet. Oh, dami nga ito eh. Ah,
Hold on.
let's sleep.
Okay, I'll just sleep. Hey.
Sorry, wait for me, ha?
Bunso, can you change yung bed? I want dark.
Hindi, sleep ko muna. Later na natin change.
Wait lang, I just need to change it now.
Pero dapat
How do you go there? What is that? I changed a purple one.
uh,
So, how do you, so, ayaw, saan? Hindi ba,
no tiding right here. Oh.
but I did, ayaw.
Oh, no tiding. Where are you going? I'm right here. Oh,
So, kami yung inside.
right.
Wala. I'm just gonna let you show something inside the chest. And you read the book, okay?
Where's the book?
I'm just gonna put a chest so you can the book. So you can read the book. Open the chest now.
Lang book.
That's why I'm gonna get. But you get ka ng red book and mag-spell ka something and write.
I don't like to write.
I want to write.
Go ahead. I'm gonna wait.
You just, you read it, mamaya.
Lagay mo, I love you, bunso.
Mommy, I'm not gonna spell that.
Spell mo yun, because you love me.
Mommy, no, mommy. Okay. And the next.
Finish mo yan, Sisi.
So, i-read mo na, hurry up.
Ako na lang mag-sige.
Close the, trapdoor. So, what's up?
Close the book. Bite the book.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Girl.
Get the book.
Ano to?
6, 7.
Itong isa.
Read mo lang.
Shiver, shiver, shush, shush.
So guys, that's Bunso read a funny word and I didn't know how to spell a word. You're so funny.
Read mo to. Anong read yan? Anong read yan?
you,
I?
you spell 6, 7.
No, ito yung spell. Ito yung
I
spell ko.
love you,
S-H-I-A.
Shaya. Okay. I don't need this book anymore. Have this book. This is your book. I need my own book. Oh, I found it. It's just we have 1, 2, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Oopsies. What's up with this? I'll give it to you. Read that. Read that. Hurry up. You have another book. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Ay,
You like it?
like
Ano sa'yo? What's up? Can you look at me? What's up? Look at me. Look at me. Wait lang. What's up? Look. Don't move. Bunso, don't move. Bunso, don't move.
Ay, wala pa na siyang kasunod na ganda. Sorry.
Wait, I just need the backward. I was so silly. Next, ganito. Bunso, look at me. Bunso, you don't wanna look at me.
I'm gonna look at you, but let's go outside. Outside.
Wait, don't block me.
I did not. Di maipantay.
I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something. You know what? I don't deserve to look at me. I don't deserve to add TNT in your house. But
Yes.
you don't deserve to deal and deal. What are you gonna say? Okay, that's enough. Oh, wait. Bakit ganito sa akin?
I don't know.
So, look, why are you always why are you always changing your character?
Because I love it.
Okay, fine. Oh, you don't deserve it. What's up? I'm behind here. I can. Okay, that's so weird.
Tinatanong ko lagi ay since
Well, we're the same height.
Nope.
Look,
Nope.
we're the same height.
Nope.
Yes, we are. What ano ka, harap sa akin. We're the same height. We need another ano. Look at my hand magic. And the uh,
Bigas na nila. Hindi. Ano yun?
Walang pala.
Dito sa Pilipinas?
so look at me. I'm gonna hand magic.
Ano yun na?
So look, I'm doing something.
Yep. I'm looking at you.
Man. Saan ko makikita? YouTube? Sa TikTok. Wala akong TikTok.
one for you, and one for me. Hey, what's up? Okay, this is uh, we need some grass. And we need this grass. Yes, I need some.
Babae na.
May islog ko dyan.
Sabi ko kasi nagpabiguan.
Bunso, bunso, mind the diamonds and gold. Wow, you look like a rock and roll. Rock and roll. Hmm, rock and roll.
Tingin.
Huh?
Sir, rock and roll.
Hindi pa sa'yo.
Upload ko dun sa baba. Bago naman. Usap na lang muna. You want me to gawin ng day?
Huh?
Daytime na or nighttime?
I want daytime.
Kanin. Day. Noon. Parang maganda. May mga clouds.
Kung i-mine mo yung diamonds and gold.
Mga
Where's mama? The one by myself, Bunso.
So,
I'm the
para
one,
surprise mo ako ng house.
but I'm the one who did by myself. I want to eat if you are not here. Uh, I need some tokens. Sammy.
Oh, nakikialis na yung tabi ko na nakikialis.
The study books already. The study books in. You just go to see what is there's up. Yes, there's a book. Wait. Hmm. Hello, Golem. Have a nice morning. Tiring day. I still have some study books. Yay! Some study books. Where's my study book? Oh, there's a study book. This is my study book. Study book is best. Guys, if you like my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys, and don't forget to get notified from the video. And I love hand tricks and this. And bye, guys.